What are you doing to Daddy?
I wake up in.
You're makeuping, Daddy?
Yeah.
Want to be a makeup artist?
Yes.
And your daddy is your model? Oh, I see. Cute. Pogi na si Daddy?
Not yet.
Sabi siya, no, si Daddy.
Let's play the game. Let's play the game, Daddy. Daddy, let's go play the game.
Oh, yun. Wow, ang galing mag-makeup niya na. Make him pretty. Okay, Kylie. Make him pretty. Oh, ganda na ang tawag dyan? Eyebrow. Oh, yan. Wow, good color. What color is that, Kylie?
No.
Yellow. Good. Careful sa eyes, ha? The other one na. Sa kabila naman.
Blue.
Blue naman. Yes. Pwede na siya mag-ballerina.
Daddy.
Tan?
No.
Not yet. Not yet.
Say 1, 2, 3,
What else?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bilang ka pa. Go. What else pa?
That's enough na.
Isa pa. Where you put? No, not sa no. Oh, yan. Nose line. Yung nose line ni Daddy. Para tumangos lalo.